Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome to Pankaj Sukla's English Academy. Today I am going to teach you figures of speech. Tautology. When different words of the same meaning are used is called tautology because it was grassy and wanted where frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors. Frails and crumbling means the same. He makes strong fires roar and flourish. When I stand on the roadway or on the pavements, grey. Remember, no men are strange, no countries foreign. So he hack and chop, but these alone won't do it. They do not sweat and whine about their condition. Bright you sparkle on your way. At some old ancient inn, old and ancient, same meaning, and you have passed your most dangerous, difficult test if the guy in the glass is your friend. Transferred epithet. Epithet means adjective. The epithet or adjective is transferred from its original noun to another closely related to it. They tell them a curious story. Story is a noun, curious is adjective. Are fed by peaceful harvest, by war's long winter story. On pads of velvet quiet, in his quiet rage. He hears the last voice at night, the patrolling cars. All his young days into the harbor where his ball went. Young is adjective and days means noun. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes. Eyes are desperate. On silent haunches. Silence is adjective. Sweet childish days. Days means noun and childish is adjective. That were as long as 20 days are now. And pressing the small poised feet of a mother who smile as she sings. Tom is a clever boy. Boy is a noun, clever is adjective. John is a brave boy. Metaphor. When an indirect comparison is made, it is called metaphor. It is an implied simile without, as, or like. Two roads diverge in a yellow wood. When the humid shadows hover, indicate humid shadow means clouds. Our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence. The bleeding bark will heal, indicate to trees. A slumber did my spirit seal. Some say the world will end in fire. Fire means desire. Some say the world will end in fire, and some say in ice means hatred. Is a comparison. With black stripes on a yellow ground. Tiger's body with a black stripe. The silence is golden. Silence is compared with gold. The freedom is compared with sweet. The camel is the sheep of desert. Camel is compared with sheep. Personification, children. Listen carefully. When inanimate objects or abstract ideas are spoken of as having life, human quality, it becomes personification. Two were it bent in the undergrowth. Bent means human quality is given to the road. The wind. Wind is non-living object given human qualities winnows and crushes them all. His indicate wind. Friendship is good. Human quality. Friendship is given. My life is bored in this nasty pond. The snake trying to escape the pursuing stick. Stick is non-living but human quality is pursuing. Who hugs? Hug is a quality of human. You very hard. Be sure it is a bear. The trees are stumbling. Stumbling is human quality given to trees forward into the night. Winds rush to meet them. Meet means human quality attribute to winds. The fog comes. Fog means non-living given human quality. And stars begin to peep. Human quality is peeping is given to stars. Apostrophe. Apostrophe when a direct address is made to the dead, non-living or inanimate, the absent or a personified object or idea, it is called apostrophe. Directly addressed to wind. Wind has given human quality, comes softly. Don't scatter the papers given to the wind. You brought rain again, wind. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. Again, human quality given to wind. Love you for yourself alone and not your yellow hair. The human is not present. Who is not present? I heard an old religious man, but yesterday night declared, lady is not present. Could love you for yourself alone and not your yellow hair. By those great honey-colored rampart at your ears. Goodbye, winter. Winter has given direct human quality. Goodbye. O death, where is thy sting? O grave, where is thy victory? Thank you, students.